The Asian brown flycatcher, Muscicapa dorica, is a small migratory bird widely known for its subtle beauty. Recognizable by its grayish-brown plumage, pale underparts, and slightly hooked bill, it prefers open woodlands, forest edges, and gardens. During the breeding season it inhabits parts of Siberia, China, and Japan, but when winter approaches, the Asian brown flycatcher embarks on an incredible journey to warmer regions, migrating to Southeast Asia, including India, and as far as Indonesia. In India, these birds are typically seen from September to April, foraging for insects and small invertebrates in wooded areas. Their simple tick call often gives away their presence, even when perched quietly in the treetops. Though small and unobtrusive, the Asian brown flycatcher plays an essential role in controlling insect populations during its stay, contributing to the natural balance of its winter habitats.